Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Kofi. I'm a student of planning and GIS, and on this channel I talk about how to do mapping with ArcGIS, QGIS and ArcGIS Pro. So if you are interested in this topic, kindly subscribe to this channel, hit on the bell icon and like this video. Thank you very much. Okay, so in today's video we are going to continue on the journey of how to prepare a local plan. In the video above, that is the part 1. It's about the basics, how to copy parallel, how to create line shape files, copy parallel, and do the filleting and the advanced editing to actually come up with an acre boxes like this. It's the basic. If you watch it and you get a basic of how to create the boxes, you can actually advance yourself or apply it to a larger space. Do you get it? So you can check that video out. Maybe you've already watched that video and you want to know how to color it, how to number the plots, and how to calculate the area. And if you are in such situation, then this video is for you. Okay, so before I begin, some of you have been saying that you are facing a situation whereby in the previous video you copy parallel and it's not working. When it happens like that, it means the shape files that are in the table of contents over here are not in the same coordinate system. This might be in WGS 1984, while this might be in UTM Zone 30, and sometimes there are a lot of shape files over here. Do you get it? So to address that, the copy parallel issue, you come to the layers, you select, you see layers, you select, you right click, then you go to properties, then you come to coordinate system, then you choose the WGS 1984 UTM Zone 30 North, then you click OK. All the shape files over here will be in the same coordinate system, and when it happens like that, the copy parallel problem that you are facing will be solved or will be addressed. Now, how do you color the plots? Now, you right click on the acre box shapefile, you go to open attribute table, you come here, you go to add field, land use, you come here, then you select text. Okay, do you get it? They were saying that I have already created a land use field. That is why they gave me that warning. So you create the land use layer. You see that when you select this is the box, this is its row, this one is this box, this one is this box. Have you seen that? So you can right click on the acre box, you go to edit, start edit. Do you get it? Then you start doing the coloring. So you see that you know the area. So let's say 1, 2, 3, 4. They are educational land use to you. So you right click on it. You see it has selected. Then you write, let's say, education. The next one is what? Let's say that one too is education. Let's say this one too is education. This one too is education. Do you get it? When you are done, then you are just selecting the land uses. You know them. Do you get it? So let's say this one is residential. Residential. Do you get it? Let's say commercial, civic and culture. Maybe that is the palace. Do you get it? Residential. Do you get it? You can even copy it. That is one way you do the numbering, or you insert the names. Another way, you can close the attribute table, you right click it, you click it like this, you right click, you see attribute. Do you get it? You see it has come. So you see the land use field, you see LU1, then you name residential, you come here, residential. Do you get it? So you select it like that, then you come there, then you name it. You see that previously we selected here as commercial, so the commercial is there. Come here, you see there is education. So these are the two alternative ways. Either you right click, you go to attribute table, and you start naming it over there, or you come and use this particular approach. Let me save them up. I'm just trying to save it. Always save your map in case of any unexpected madness from the PC. Do you get it? So let me save, edit. So when you have finished adding land use names to all the boxes, then you right click, then you go to properties, then you go to symbology, then you go to categories, ID. You see LU1, add all values. You click OK. You see that when you went there, you saw this ID over there. Yes. So you've activated this. You add all values and you see this. Do you get it? So if your acre boxes are more, you see a lot of them according to the land uses you've assigned to them. Do you get it? So civic and culture, perma experience is this color. Commercial perma experience is this color. I think this. Education is this. My experience, this is residential. Are you getting it? So this is how we do the coloring. Now let us do the plotting. So with the plots, you can use the IDs. You see we have FID 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Do you get it? So if we are using the FID, let's say you come to label features, you see that education, all of them are on it, but we want the plots. So you go to properties, you go to labels, you choose FID, but FID is starting with 0, 1, 2. I don't think plot number 0 is okay. So you right click, you go to attribute table, you come here, add a field, plot number. You come here, you can choose float. Do you get it? When you are done, you right click, you go to field calculator. Yes. Then with the field calculator, plot number, this one, is equal to FID plus 1. Then you click OK. Do you get it? So now we've added 1 to every FID. 0 plus 1, 1, 1 plus 1, 2, 2 plus 2, 3. Do you get it? Then let's label the features again. Then we go there. Then we choose the plot number. You see that now we are having 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Are you getting it? So this is how we do the plot numbering. Yes, this is how we do it. So after that, if you want to calculate the area, it's not difficult. You just come here, open attribute table, you add a new one, area, float or double. You right click on the new field, you go to calculate geometry. Do you get it? Let's say you want acre. Normally we use the US acre because they said every company it has US. It's at US. Do you get it? You click OK. Yes. So it is going to give you every box and its area. So let's say you want the educational area. So it will be this, control this, another your hand is on control this. So it will be this plus this plus this plus this plus this. Are you getting it? Or if you still want to be sure, you can, once you've selected it, imagine you are working on a larger area. Once you've selected it, let's do it with the residential. Select all the residential. Do you get it? Once you've selected them, you right click, you go to selection, create layer from selected feature. Do you get it? Now you've gotten only layers of the residential. You right click on it, you come here. You see, only the residential. You right click, you come here, then you go to statistics. Statistics, then you go to sum. So all the residential plots in the local plan is comprised of all, in if you combine all of them, if you add all of them, you get 1.16 or 1.17 acres. Do you get it? Or if you like, let's say the education, it's not many, so you can just select. We know civic and culture is 0.2, commercial is this, but the education, if you don't want to export or create layer from selected feature, you can just select them, then use calculator manually. 0.20 plus 0.20 plus this. Do you get it? So this is how we do the coloring. We calculate area and we number the plots. Thank you very much for watching, and I would like to see you in my next video. Bye bye.